In this lesson, we are going to learn about object arrays and display object arrays in the front end. We will start our application. I'll name this as app04 and declare the module angular.module. Our Angular module is app04. I'll declare controller here, app.controller. Our controller name is controller1, and I'll keep it blank, and I'm going to the index.html and I'm going to give the controlling area ng controller, and our controller name is controller1 con1, right? I am going to the controller again and assign a variable. This dot name equals ABCDEFGH. I have assigned a variable and it has the characters A to H, and I am going to repeat this name characters. For that I'll use H3 tag, and for the repeating task I'm going to use Angular directive called ngRepeat, and the repeat char in I'm going to access controller variable dot name dot I'm going to split it as characters, and now we run and see. Yes, it runs, but no any output. We didn't put any output variable here. This ngRepeat output as repeat char, and now we see, yes, it repeats A B C D E F G H, and now I need to display the index of the repeat. I am using $index, and see, yes, it displays index that starts from the 0. $index actually shows the actual index of the repeat. This is how we are using Angular repeat. We will see another example with object array. I'm going to declare object array inside of the controller. This dot object array. Object array is a variable, and I'm going to create array elements there. Name as David Beckham, and email david@gmail.com, and I'm going to use some other details also. Phone model as iPhone 6s, and status positive, and the purchase date 2015 12/1, and we created the first element of the array, and we'll copy that element into next ones. I'll change only a name as David Beckham 2 in the second element and David Beckham 3 in the third element. I am going to add HTML table to display these details. Inside of the controller I'll add HTML table tag, then the header tag, and header row, and we have table headers. First one is name, second one is email, next is phone model, and the next is status, and the last is purchase date. I'm going to design table body here, and the first row we need 5 columns to display that object details. And we did the table design, and now we want to repeat this row, this table row, and we will add ng repeat here, and object in con1 dot object array. I'm going to repeat object array objects into this object variable. I'll assign details into this column object dot name, and the second one is object dot email, third one object dot phone model, and the next one object dot status, the last one object dot purchase date. We will run this and see is it iterating. Yes, you can see the table here, and you can see the first one is David Beckham, and the second row is David Beckham 2, and the third row is David Beckham 3. This object is iterated as table rows. This table has no any design into it. Actually, Angular works well with the Bootstrap. We will add Bootstrap design file into this HTML. We will go to the external libraries, and Bootstrap is there. We will select Bootstrap. Oops, it adds all the libraries. For now, we do not want any JavaScripts. We just need the style sheet of the Bootstrap, and we will assign that Bootstrap class, and run it. You can see the clear difference when we add the CSS design of the Bootstrap.